I'm on the side, you can't see it at all. And then as I pan around, you'll start to see it. And then as I keep going, it'll go pitch black again. But I guarantee you it's on because I'm looking. Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So wait till you see what I have behind me. We have a brand new 2025 Ram RHO. This thing is unreal. So we're gonna be doing a full CompuStar alarm system with a set of R5 remotes, the drone mobile app, and the Igla. So this on this truck, it will do everything. So we're gonna fully protect it. As you know, Dodges are all the rage, especially all the high horsepower vehicles. Check this thing out. Check out that front end. So it's got the 3 ambers in the grille, just makes it look evil. It's got the daytime running lights around the headlights themselves, LED turn signals. Let me turn on, I'm gonna turn on the hazards. It's hard to make out, but those hazards are sequential. Let me turn off the headlights so you can see that. Isn't that sick? It's just amazing. So just going to show you really quickly how the pin code system works on this vehicle. So this is a brand new platform. So that even though the truck is very similar, other than a lot of the aesthetic changes, they've changed the CAN bus network. So what that means is it just makes it more difficult to integrate with it because they've changed a lot of the language per se, the code. So it takes a lot more effort to do these currently. Even the remote starter part of it, technically the remote start is different. It works, it's supported now recently. The pin code is also, this is the, I think, 2nd or 3rd generation of the software already. And every time they're making improvements, but just wanted to show you how it works. So this is the truck, right? So what I'm gonna do is, so in this particular truck, it allows you to start the vehicle, but if you go to put it in the drive, it shuts the vehicle off. And then you can put it back in park, restart it, put it in drive, it will shut off again. And it will continue to do that till you put the pin code in. So I'm going to start it. Car starts right up, right? Everything works. Give it a second. No lights on the dash. I'm gonna go to shift it. Car died. So vehicle not in park. So we put the vehicle back in park. Restart it again. Go to put it in drive again. Car dies. And you can do this all day. So every time the vehicle gets put in the drive without the pin code, it shuts the car down. So that keeps them from stealing it. The other nice thing about that is that it allows you to still use the factory remote start if you wanted to. The aftermarket is obviously going to be much better because he's going to have drone mobile. So the range is unlimited and you'll be able to lock it, unlock it, and see all your alerts from anywhere basically. So it's a really cool feature and a cool way to do it on these brand new Rams, because again, it allows you, if you wanted to, you could just add the Igla, but we don't recommend that. We recommend Igla and an alarm. Now, the nice thing about doing it this way is that you can still use your factory remote start, all the factory functions, but we like the drone better because your range is unlimited and you don't have to worry about it. You can lock it, unlock it, start it, stop it, and track it. At the very least, you can do an Igla. We don't recommend that. Reason being is that if they do a relay attack, they won't be able to take the car, but they still, two things. They can put it in, break it, put it in gear, tow it, push it away from your house or something, or away from your parking spot, and have time to work on it. And you won't know because you don't have an alarm. And they've bypassed the factory alarm because they relay attacked the truck and it unlocked. It may not start, but now they're in the car. And the more time they have, obviously the more likely they are to find a way around it. Now, with Igla, it's pretty much not going to happen, but we don't want to take that chance, right? So that's why we always recommend that you add an alarm system, because let's say they do relay attack it. So when they relay attack it, this is the other benefit of not connecting the factory fob to the aftermarket alarm. So they really attack your car. It unlocks the doors and disarms the factory alarm. But as soon as they grab the handle and open the door to get in it, our aftermarket alarm, because it's not tied to the factory, is going to start going off. So the siren's going to go, the horn's going to honk, the lights are going to flash, and obviously, hopefully, that's going to alert the neighbors, alert you, and they're going to go and run away, right? Because they're not going to sit there and work on it or try to push it away while the alarm is going off, and they know that it's sent an alert to you. So this is why we strongly recommend that you do an alarm remote start and the Igla. So they kind of work together because every one of those is an extra layer of defense. It's got 2,600 miles on it. It is brand new. So it's got the camera mirror, you know, the digital camera mirror. It's got the 19-inch screen. It even now has a passenger monitor, which you can't see from the driver. It's nuts. So basically the passenger can watch a movie, control a bunch of options. We'll jump on the other side here and show you in a second. But look at this interior. So it's got the RHO embroidered, the white stitching, carbon fiber everywhere, all the black aluminum trim. I mean, this thing is a beast. It's got the carbon fiber steering wheel. Just gorgeous, gorgeous truck. It's got leather and suede. Just an amazing, amazing vehicle. So as far as the passenger screen, you press this button here, and if you can see that, it's got an FM radio, AM radio, Bluetooth. It's touchscreen, so there's an auxiliary cable, a Bluetooth, USB 1, USB 2, and live radio. So you have the home screen, and you have video, USB 1, USB 2. There you go. And then lastly, there's an HDMI input. So in essence, you could plug in a phone and watch straight off your phone, or a Fire Stick, or anything that has an HDMI output. So we got controls here. This is how you manage, because it has wireless headphones. You can also turn the screen brightness up and down. You can power it off. Hit the button again, back in business. This is your main screen again. So if we go to live radio, source is already in use. So that means that you must pair something else to it. It's hard to make out, but it says passenger HDMI. There's your aux 1, aux 2, and then the charging USB-C and USB-A, as well as the passenger port. I mean, they have thought of everything. It also has auxiliary switches pre-made on the dash, so you can add lighting and all kinds of other stuff. So I have my phone plugged into this, and so as you can see, I have a Showtime video on. Yeah, it's all I can show that it's not going to copyright this thing. So as you can see, so I'm plugged into the HDMI. Now you do have to use their Apple adapter. This is the old Lightning style, but they have the new USB-C that also works. So that allows you to watch basically anything that's on your phone. So there's the screen on my phone, right? So now I still have to control it from the phone, but it allows you to do everything. So basically anything that you can watch on your phone, you could watch on screen. So if you wanted to, you know, you could go to Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, anything you want, right? Anything that has a video output. You can even look at your pictures if you want to. So obviously what this is intended for is so that the passenger can watch a movie or a TV show or the game or anything on a long trip. But how cool is that, right? And then I'm going to show you. So let me jump out of the car and walk around. So I don't know if you can see this. Well, this screen I cannot see at all from the driver's. It is pitch black. But as see, right now I'm currently directly in front of it, but as I go to the side, it just goes black. So it's in essence like one of those screen protectors so that people can't see your phone. But how cool is that? I'm gonna go around the other side. So same thing from this side. I'm on the side, you can't see it at all. And then as I pan around, you'll start to see it. And then as I keep going, it'll go pitch black again. But I guarantee you it's on, because I'm looking at it. And if I continue to look at it dead straight, I can see it perfectly. But as soon as I'm, maybe 15-20 degrees off angle from either side, it goes completely black. And then from the driver's seat, you can actually turn the screen on and off. So if the passenger isn't cooperating, you just press the button. No more fun for you. Hit the button again, back in business. So super cool feature. I just wanted to show you guys because I think it's super cool and I think it's the future. A lot of new cars are having a cluster or screen that goes end to end, being so that basically the cluster is obviously the instrument cluster, the center is the infotainment, and the right side is the infotainment basically for the entertainment for the passenger. So you're going to start seeing this a lot more in all your new cars, especially your new high-end vehicles. All right, so just something cool, thought I'd share. I thought it was cool. We've heard about this, I've read about this a lot, but I finally get to see it, and it's actually really cool, and it's the future. It's the way cars are gonna be from now on, especially your high-end vehicles. If you're taking a long trip, just for the cool factor. I mean, you could say you have a TV on your passenger side where you're technically where your airbag would be. How cool is this? So if you have a Ram RHO or any car in general, reach out to us and we'll get it taken care of. Thanks a lot for watching.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.